Hello students, 4th class Active Math Multiplication and Division SB-10 Concept Time 4 Solving word problems on multiplication. We use multiplication to solve problems in our daily lives. Let us learn the steps to solve word problems using the NADOS method. For multiplication, we use the keywords times for all, every, each, total, product, like this. Solved example B. A camel can drink up to 105 liters of water. How many liters of water can a group of 32 camels drink? Answer. NADOS. N. First letter. Find the numbers and keywords. Numbers 105 liters, 32 camels. Keywords none. Note. When a word problem has no keyword, drawing helps identify the operation required. A. What is asked? To find the total quantity of water a group of 32 camels can drink. D. Draw to understand. 105 liter, 105 liter, 105 liter, 105 liter, and so on. 105 liter, 32 camels. O. Find the operation to be used. From the drawing above, we see that one camel drinks 105 liter of water and there are 32 camels. So the total quantity of water 32 camels can drink in liter is equal to 105 plus 105 plus and so on 32 times is equal to 32 into 105 or 105 into 32. So we will multiply here. Quantity of water one camel can drink is equal to 105 liter. Quantity of water 32 camels can drink is equal to 105 into 32. Put the digits in their place value table. Solve the problem. A group of 32 camels can drink up to 3,360 liters of water. Multiplication and division SB-11 practice question number 4. Let's think. Rita's family lives in Mumbai. A train trip from Mumbai to Bengaluru costs rupees 2,375 on weekdays and 3,125 on weekends. The cost of the return trip is also the same. 4 people from Rita's family took a train to Bengaluru on Monday and returned on Sunday. Which of the following questions can you answer from the given information? Second one, what was the total cost for the train tickets? Multiplication and division, SB-11 practice question number 4, 4.1. Solve the following in the notebook. A. Mrs. Rao orders 8 kg of paneer. If the price of paneer is rupees 135 per kg, how much does she pay for the paneer? Solve. Mrs. Rao orders paneer is equal to 8 kg. Price of paneer is equal to 135 rupees per kg. She pay for the paneer. We find. So 135 into 8 we multiply. Then we get the answer. She pay for the paneer is rupees 1080. Question number B. Anita goes to a shop and buys 3 dresses for rupees 1201 each. How much money does she spend on the 3 dresses? Solve. Anita buys 3 dresses for each is equal to rupees 1201 for 3 dresses. We find. Therefore, 1201 into 3 is equal to 3603. For 3 dresses, 3603. Question number D. A medicine factory puts 490 cough syrup bottles in a crate. How many bottles will be there in 48 crates? Solve. A medicine factory puts cough syrup bottles in a crate is equal to 490. The bottles in 48 crates is equal to 490 into 48 is equal to 23,520. Multiply 490 by 48. 48 means 40 plus 8. First product is 40 490 into 8. Second product is 490 into 40. Answer is 23,520. The total bottles in 48 crates is equal to 23,520. Question number E. A poultry farm has 235 hens. Each hen lays 24 eggs in a month. How many eggs does the poultry farm have in a month? Solve. A poultry farm has hens is equal to 235. Each hen lays eggs in a month is equal to 24. How many eggs in farm is equal to? We find 235 into 24. 24 means 20 plus 4. First product is 235 into 4. Second product is 235 into 20. Add two products and get the answer 5,640. There are 5,640 eggs in a farm. Question number F. A sauce company purchased 72 shipments of tomatoes. There are 2,781 kg of tomatoes in each shipment. How many tomatoes did the company purchase in all? Solve. A sauce company purchased shipments of tomatoes is equal to 72. There are total tomatoes is equal to 2781 kg. Total tomatoes company purchased we find 2781 multiplied by 72. 72 means 70 plus 2. First product is 2781 into 2. Second product is 2781 into 70. Answer is 5632. Total tomatoes company purchased is equal to 5632. Question number G. A seed company filled 53 bags with seeds. They put 8,000 to 11 grams of seeds in each bag. How many grams of seeds are there in all the bags combined? Solve. A seed company filled seeds in is 53 bags. In each bag, the seeds are 8,211 grams. Total seeds in all bags we find 8,211 multiplied by 53. 53 means 50 plus 3. Product 1 is 8,211 into 3. Product 2 is 8,211 into 50. Answer is 4,35,183. Total seats are 4,35,183. Question number H. An auditorium can seat 1,265 people per show. If 45 full shows were organized last month, how many people in total attended the shows? Solve. An auditorium can seat people per show is equal to 1265. Full shows organized last month is equal to 45. Total people attended the show we find. Multiply 1265 into 45. 45 means 40 plus 5. Product 1 is 1265 into 5. Product 2 is 1265 into 40. Add the product and get the answer 56,925. Number I is one carton can hold 171 notebooks. If there are 250 cartoons, calculate the total number of notebooks. Solve. One carton can hold notebooks is equal to 171. The cartons are 250. Total number of notebooks is equal to, we find, multiply 250 into 170. 170 means 100 plus 70 plus 0. Product 1 is 250 into 0. Product 2 is 250 into 70. Product 3 is 250 into 100. Add the three products and get the answer 42,500. The number J is if my car runs at a speed of 120 kilometers per hour, how much distance can it cover in 120 minutes? Solve. My car runs at a speed per hour is equal to 120 kilometers. Distance cover in minutes is equal to 120. Total distance we find. One 120 multiplied by 120. 120 means 100 plus 20 plus 0. Product 1 is 120 into 0. Product 2 is 120 into 2, 20. Product 3 is 120 into 100. Add the three products and get the answer 14,400. Question number K is a total of 129 children go to the local zoo for a field trip. The teacher buys lunch for everyone at a price of rupees 15 per plate. How much money does she spend at lunch on lunch? Solve. A total children go to the local zoo for field trip is equal to 129. Lunch per plate is equal to rupees 15. Total money spent we find. Multiply 129 by 15. 15 means 10 plus 5. Product 1 is 129 into 5. Product 2 is 129 into 10. 1290. Add the two products and get the answer 1935. Total money spent is equal to 1935 rupees. Number L is a storybook of 523 pages has 115 words on each page. How many words are there in total in the storybook? Solve. A storybook have pages is equal to 523. In each page words are 115. Total words in the storybook we find. Multiply 523 into 115. 115 means 100 plus 10 plus 5. Product 1 is 523 into 5. Product 2 is 523 into 10. Product 3 is 523 into 100. Add the three products and get the answer 60,145. Total words in the storybook is equal to 60,145. Question number M. A robot can jump 36 times in a minute. How many times can it jump in 4 hours? Solve. A robot can jump in a minute is equal to 36 minutes times. It can jump in a hour. We find 1 hour is 60 minutes. A robot can jump in a hour is equal to 2160.